Hello there. Microsoft Edge Insider is available via 3 distribution channels: Beta, Dev, and Canary. The Beta channel is updated every 6 weeks. Dev channel is updated every week. And Canary channel is updated every day. In this video, we are going to be looking at how to download and install Microsoft Edge Canary channel release. The installation steps are similar for Dev and Beta channels too. To get started, open your favorite browser and search for Edge Insider download. Click on the first link that you see for download Microsoft Edge Insider channels. As you can see here, installers for all 3 channels are available on the same page. And if you expand the download options, you'll find that Insider channels are available for Mac OS, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows Server as well. I am on Windows 10, so I would be closing this menu, and just click on the button labeled Download for Windows 10. Read the license terms. And if you agree, click on the Accept and Download button. This would download a small online installer executable file. Launch the executable file and allow it to install. It should take a few seconds to minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation completes, you'll find a new desktop and taskbar shortcuts for Microsoft Edge Canary. Launch the browser using any of the shortcuts to continue setting up your personalized settings. You can customize the new tab page to your preference. If you use multiple Windows devices, or if you were already using Edge from any other channel, you can enable sync to see existing data on this installation as well. And finally, if you wish, you can opt in for Microsoft experiences. That's it. You have your Microsoft Edge Canary channel installation successfully set up. Keep in mind that this will not replace your current version of Microsoft Edge. It is a separate browser running on your system. After trying it, if you're not interested, you can safely uninstall it by going to Apps and Settings in Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any queries or comments, you can leave that below in the comments. Thanks for watching.